We have a project here with a structure Revit file with links to MEP files. We take it to Navisworks and detect clashes. We add a single clash test, and this project has 63 clashes. We export a clash report with our plugin. Now we come back to Revit and run Bamroc and resolve these clashes. We use the move strategy with the medium performance. Bamroc collects the mathematical and geometric data from all the Revit files of the project. We get a pop-up for inserting a clash report. Then we upload the clash report generated from our Navisworks plugin. Now all the collected project and clash data goes to our cloud server for the AI processing. Once the processing is completed for all the clashes, it generates a prediction file. Finally, Bamroc is going to automatically make changes to the existing MEP files as per the generated predictions. It will create new clash-free Revit files and load it back to our main structure file. We unlink the original Revit files, then we export the NWC file for the revised model. We take this to Navisworks to validate the end result. We add a single clash test and voila, 0 clashes. Bamroc has resolved all the clashes in the project while keeping the fundamental design intact and without creating new clashes.
Let's see some sample resolution. For example, let's take this clash and use the Navigate button to dive into the model. In the TP01 model, we can clearly see multiple clashes across different systems. The clash in focus here is between a duct fitting and another duct. Now we switch to the TP02 model, and here we can see how Bamroc has gracefully resolved these clashes. Bamroc has separated the systems to eliminate the original clashes without introducing any new clashes. This demonstrates how Bamroc achieves clean resolutions while maintaining the design intent of the model.